Forget about chisels and drills to process your wooden sculptures. There is something much better. The motor-driven carving device Msg easily surpasses such tools when it comes to working with wood or plaster. It is ideal for carving wood sculptures, restoring and finishing furniture, refurbishing antiques, lino cuts, and much more. A U-form, a V-form, and a flat blade knife made of bimetal are included. Providing an optimum balance of ductility and hardness, this material makes the knives extremely resistant to wear and breakage. The device not only lies well in the hand due to the stylish housing's excellent ergonomics, but also provides a very firm grip thanks to the curry-coloured soft component at the bottom. This makes the device ideal for highly controllable, sensitive guidance of the carving knife. And if the blades ever become dull, no problem. Our multiform grindstone, available as an accessory, can be used to restore the knives to their original sharpness in no time. Interchange takes place literally in one go. Simply unscrew the sleeve nut, remove the old carving blade, install a new one, and tighten the nut again. Replacement blades are available as accessories. A set comprising a total of 5 different blade profiles equips you ideally for all possible tasks. To bring workpieces into shape for final carving and to extract blanks from larger pieces, our program naturally offers many more items of equipment and accessories. An ideal combination, for instance, is formed by our tungsten carbide rasp plate and long neck angle grinder LHW. Reinforced with metal needles, the plate can be guided smoothly through the material, making it possible to achieve the desired profile more quickly. It is truly incredible how much material this rasp plate can remove. After that, your work of art can be carved into its final shape using Proxxon's motor-driven carving device Msg. Our belt sander BSE and block belt sander BBS-S are ideal for refinishing. The motor-driven carving device Msg comes in an ultra-strong, stylish case made of polypropylene and serving to store the device dependably whenever you have finished using it. Proxxon. Tools with character.